This party's rad.
Agreed.
Huh? What's she doing here?
She's not welcome. Whoa! Ah! Almost ready. No! Ah! Not the drinks! Watch out! What the? I didn't mean to!
Ouch, that must have hurt.
Is she okay? Oh no! You're all so cruel!
Ooh, what they did isn't right. Take my hand. I'll help you get up.
You're so kind. Unlike the others. Kiss me!
Ain't happening. Clean the mess you made. Come on, chop chop.
I'll show you a real mess!
No! Stop it, you two! Bullying is not allowed in this school. This'll teach you some manners.
Huh?
What? And off you go to meet your host. Fellow human beings, welcome to yet another exciting challenge! I'm your favorite host, Mwah! Ready to punish misbehaving teenagers! Meet our new contestants!
Hello, I'm Sabrina!
And she's broke! Ryan in the house! The richest brat on the planet! Who will win?
You guys? Are you seeing this? Come, let's watch!
Reality TV? I'm in!
Our guy will win. We'll make sure of that. The rich never lose. Let's watch.
Okay, if I grabbed your attention, let's begin with our first challenge! I was born ready. This fit, sponsored by money. Duh. Thanks for the tip!
Ugh, show off? I don't need fancy clothes to win. Consider me taping my victory. Ready?
Then, let's go! I've been playing basketball since I was a kid. What? Oh man.
Watch and learn. Oops, never mind.
Ugh!
Come on, Sabrina!
Come on, Ryan.
Why?
Ugh! Must be something wrong with my ball. Hey, take that one away. Is this better? Yeah. Huh, he's got this. Hey, that's cheating!
Is that even allowed?
Cry about it. And score! Yeah! I can do this in my sleep.
Ugh! Come on!
Yeah!
Go!
At this point, you should just give up.
Never!
Drop your balls! It's time!
But…
Let's check the footage. We have a winner! I knew it!
That's not fair! Seriously?
Bravo! Time to celebrate. Who's ready for the second challenge?
I got this!
It's pop quiz time! You can begin.
I hope the questions are easy.
Math. Cheers! You may begin!
I gotta win this round! 5, 6…
Numbers aren't my thing, but winning? That's different. Huh? Hey, tech guy, come fix the cameras! Haha, it worked!
Hey! You can't cheat again!
Watch me! If they can't see me, they can't catch me. Jealous much? And we're back!
What happened? Glasses? He did this!
Heh, these goggles don't just look cool. They solve equations too. Who needs brains with tech like this?
You can't buy real smarts, Ryan. Take away the goggles and what's left? Nothing! This is how it's done. By actually knowing the answers. Easy. Guess I'm just built for this.
And done. The results?
Here are my answers.
Consider me the winner. Nice work! Except for the entire back page you forgot. What now?
Oh no!
Man, seriously? Heh, good luck. Ah, fine. I'll just scan past her. Okay, Goggles, round 2.
Help!
Ha, no way.
I know what to do. Hey, staring is rude.
What's going on over there?
Nothing. I'm back.
Great!
World's fastest writer right here. Notes, formulas, equations, all flying from my pen.
Huh?
This is what I call undercover intelligence.
But, not cool.
Well, you're not the only one with tricks up your sleeve. I'm done.
Me too. Let's see. Okay.
Come on. He needs to win.
Congrats! You both win this round.
Yay!
Easy peasy.
Yep.
He's still in the lead.
Well, it's better than nothing.
Round 3! Cooking! That's my thing. And go! Call me chef. Oh, no time to waste.
Right behind you!
I'll go first.
I was gonna take that! Pathetic! He didn't leave her anything. This should not be allowed. What am I gonna do?
Do I look like I care?
I can't do this. Not without ingredients.
Sorry, not sorry. Ready, set, cook! Fast hands, fancy tools. That's my secret recipe.
That's not how it's done!
Relax. This is called fine dining. Maybe you're right. I'll start over.
All those ingredients! Wait! This is my chance! Come to mama! All mine now!
Ew.
One boy's trash, another girl's treasure.
Cooking with garbage? Gross.
Cooking isn't about waste, it's about taste.
Well, me? I'm gonna do takeout. You know what to do.
Gotta be quick. I can't fail him.
Where's my order? Here. What took you so long? Now disappear. Happy to serve. Ooh, nice. Fresh and warm. Chicken burger, my favorite. And I have 10 of them. I made. Shh.
What the? How's that even possible?
I'm fast, that's how.
I won't let him get to me. Gonna focus on your work. If it's numbers that count, then I'm gonna make a few burgers too. My mini burgers will have the maximum flavor. Call them McTiny but mighty. These are about to steal the show. Look at them. They're so cute. Dinner is served.
Ooh. Wait. Mine's bigger and better. Is bigger really better? You decide. Enjoy!
Yeah, dig in! In for a feast!
I'll take 2. No 3. The voting begins now.
Of course it's Sabrina. Duh.
Voting for him.
Obviously.
Here comes a score. It's a tie.
Thank you!
A tie? How boring.
Again? Okay.
The 4th challenge. Art. Both contestants need to draw a masterpiece to win. Who will succeed? We'll see. This is where my private art collection pays off.
Wait, I don't even have a brush.
What do you want? Figure it out, girl.
This competition's rigged.
Wad classroom done. 20 to go.
I'll borrow that.
Good work. Where's my brush? No!
I'm resourceful. Nah.
Impressive. Ugh. I need 3 assistants for this.
Huh?
Name your price.
Oh, enough! Oh, it's a deal. Boo!
Nobody saw that? He really is one of us.
How about this?
Add more yellow.
I'm so done!
Hey, no! He can't do that!
And a little blue.
Wow! And now you go! Oops, that's not good.
Finally! That is unacceptable!
How am I supposed to paint it myself?
Justice served. What should I draw? Hey, I need your ideas. Send me comments. A tree, a house, a sunny day? Thanks.
Okay, no one's looking. Psst. An extra for the inconvenience.
Much appreciated. I'll do my best work.
I expect nothing less.
Masterpiece complete.
Show us your work!
Already? Okay.
Here, the coolest car ever!
Cool indeed.
Mamma mia!
Wow! Check out mine! I call it the painting of happiness. What do you think? Oh, perfect! Huh?
No, it's incredible. Vote, vote, vote!
Done! Voted! We support you, girl!
Wow, the results are in! Sabrina wins!
Thank you!
Yeah! Woohoo! One final round. Oopsie, not yet, but stay tuned. See you then, and bye-bye!